Personal practice theory, PPT. What has been seen in the literature, what a lot of researchers write about, is that teachers begin to build their own theories from their values and beliefs about education, about teaching, and the experiences that they have in the classroom. And these theories for each teacher become very, very powerful because it links the experiences they have and the values they have together into something which they hold very powerfully, very strongly. Personal practice theory then is very much about a personal, a systematic set of beliefs that a teacher has, which describe theories for the individual teacher, and how the teacher operationalizes these theories, or in other words, the theories which guide their practice. So there is a practical component to personal practice theory, and then this is all brought together through the experiences, the work experiences, as well as the life experiences that the teacher has. Personal practice theory is something that all teachers will develop in time through the experiences that they have and their evolving values and beliefs. So what does this really mean for the reflective practitioner? Well, what it does mean is that the reflective practitioner, by bringing a personal practical theory to the surface, can actually reflect much more deeply, much more critically, and this can help with decision making. It can help with analysis and evaluation of the activity in the classroom. It can help with action planning and action in terms of critical incidents, and most importantly, it's a very useful way for the teacher to feel more empowered and more in control of their role in the classroom and their role as a professional. So how do we develop a personal practical theory? Well, there's no one way to do this. There's no right or wrong answers. We're talking about values and beliefs linking with experience in order to generate theory. So these are not fixed attributes. But we can consider the following chart, which can help in terms of understanding personal practice theory. For the individual practitioner, it's very much about looking at practical experience in the classroom. For example, believing that excellent teachers have high expectations of students. This is a value that we have, and we bring this together with experiences that we have. An example might be that the teacher in their own school had an English coordinator who had very high standards of their students and pushed them very hard to work and to be better writers, and it's because of this that the students achieved. So in terms of personal practical theory, the teacher is bringing their own belief together with an experience they have, and this generates a theory of approach for the teacher. Another example is that class activities, it is believed, should last no longer than 20 minutes. This is what a reflective practitioner might believe. And an example to support this might be that the teacher sees that students get distracted, easily distracted or off task after more than a certain period of time, say in a lecture, and therefore this generates a theory about how the teacher should be teaching and how the students will better learn.